they tried to destroy the grave of Imam Hussain. At a point in time in history, if you were to visit Imam Hussain, you would have to give your right arm. And this is not a Shia source. Reliable Sunni historians, they say that people would give their right arm just to visit Imam Hussain. And the following year they say, we take the right. He says, last year you took my right arm. This year I'm offering you my left. Take it. But I want to go and visit Hussain. How can such a man survive? How can such a name survive? Reliable Sunni historians, popular Sunni historians. This is not just in the Shi'i books. Say on the 10th of Muharram, there was a fight over the severed head of Imam al-Hussain. Who's going to take it? There was a fight on who's going to burn down the tents. Who's going to take the orphans as prisoners of war? How can such a man survive throughout history, 1,400 years, so that today in the United States of America, in this city, thousands and thousands of people flood so that they can show their love, their devotion to Imam al-Hussain?